What's up, everybody? Trader Bryce here. Welcome to Small Cap Recap. I'm without Matt Monaco again, and it's a Zoom call. It's just me. Couldn't even make the Zoom call, folks. Not sitting in bed this time though. I got into my dad's office, so pretty light and easy day today. Today's not going to be a super long small cap recap or anything, just because I don't know, there wasn't a whole lot that I left at like 10 a.m. Traded for a half hour, was done. Up about $6 grand today, like 5,800. So good day. And yeah, there were some really good opportunities. Don't get me wrong. Well, there were okay. Now it was a little bit slow. At the end of the day, NEGG did bounce, which I saw. It was up like 40% at one point before it fell. Really nice move, but I'm just gonna. I'm right now, I'm trading the morning when it's volatile, when I do well, and then I'm going to try to head out, going on a trip next week and all that. So yeah, it's hard too to make jokes. I don't have anyone here to joke about, like Matt. I can't even try to make a joke about him other than that he is ugly. All right, let's get into some charts here. Here we go. So my main plays were actually, I took 4 trades today. 3 of them, we have FLGC. We'll start with that. So pretty easy one in my opinion. Let's move this like a 10-day chart real quick, maybe, or 5-day even. That's fine. Basically, we had this range, and it opened up, above that range, really still above this, holding this range right here, which once I saw bidders stepping up, that was like my sign, so we had this little bit of consolidation right out of the gates here, and I missed it. Actually, no, I got in 1035, I think. So right out of this consolidation, I wanted a little bit lower. I wanted like 1018. I only took 1,500 shares though. I felt like it was a chase for some reason. There wasn't a lot of volume coming in. Until even here, they're, what was that, 100 and something thousand, 150,000. Yeah. So I took 1,500 shares here, took off 2/3 there. So I took off 1,000 at the halt level. And then the rest dead bottom of this, I got it filled at like 1203. I was fine with it, locked in what, $1,500 or so. No, more than that. 1030 to like 12. I locked in like $2 grand on that. Okay, that makes sense. Locked in $2 grand on EVK. The idea was a first green day. Or like a bounce style day here. So as you can see on the daily, pretty nice gap up, hit a high of 620, beaten down to the $3 area. No bounce really. And so I figured I'd try to bounce it today. Didn't really work. But the battery's running low. We're gonna have to keep this one short. 4% battery. Okay, let's hope this works. Got out. I literally bought right here, sold most into the spike, the rest on this fail. Bought back more right here above VWAP. Bid instantly dropped, so I just cut it, and it did fail, and just kind of chopped around the rest of the day. Still be watching it for another bounce idea coming up, but locked in $2 grand on that. And then we have NAOV. I took 10,000 shares here through this break, like 229. Sold most at like 246, or I sold half at 246, helped through this dip. And then once you got all this volume and just couldn't do it, I've seen this pattern too many times where it's like a failed high day break right out of the gates. So I cut it down right here, like again at 246, locked in 1,600 on that. And I took like one $500 loser. On AHPI. I was actually up quite a bit on it. I had a lot of shares. But unfortunately it just simply failed. So it is what it is. Good trading overall. I have 2% left on my Mac here, and I don't have a stop screen share. I don't have a battery or charger. So I'm going to end this here, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Nice, $6 grand day in 30 minutes. Can't complain. We'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Happy Thursday. See you on Friday.